Hello, my name is Jaws and welcome back to Imajawnation, where today I'm going to show you how to make a keychain fork, or a fork and turn it into a keychain, whichever which way you prefer. Anyways, you're going to need a few things before you get started making your keychain. You're going to need a flathead screwdriver, a pair of pliers, preferably with a cutting piece on it, a little piece of sandpaper or a little file, whichever you prefer, and last but not least, forks. Where we get forks, you might ask? Let me show you. Shh. You need to sneak into the kitchen first. Make sure your parents or wife ain't home. And you sneak into the kitchen drawer, grab a couple forks. Then you hurry back to where you're making them. Now it might be easier to just go to your local thrift store and buy them for a quarter piece. That way no one gets mad at you. Of course, if you live by me, hopefully I haven't raided every thrift store nearby. Now let's get on to the project. You want to take your fork and you want to decide if you want a peace sign or a fingers. I'm going to do a peace sign today. And I'm going to pick which two fingers I want. I'm going to make these two my peace sign. You also make a rock and roll sign if you really like to. Now the fingers are too long to begin with, so I'm going to cut them shorter. And I'm going to cut this shorter. So you have this roughly. Now what you want to do when you get this point is you want to take your sandpaper or file and you want to sand all the little rough cut edges. Now that you have all your rough edges sanded, let's split the fingers. Take your screwdriver, slide it in between the top, and then twist it. One way, then twist it the other. And then you got your peace sign. So then we're going to close up these fingers down here. Leaving a little bit of bend to them, leave them somewhat open, give it a little extra character. And then we say hi to the little kitty that jumps up on your lap while you're working. And then you're going to bend this piece over. And then you want to curl it some more. And voila, you have a peace sign keychain. So you just take your ring, open it up, slide it on, and there you have it. Wasn't too difficult, very simple, very cheap to do, and it's unique. And you can adjust things however you like it. If you need this wider apart, you can spread it wider. If you want these shorter, you can cut them shorter. It's whatever your personal preference is. What'd you think? You like this simple keychain? Made from just a fork and a little bit of your time. If you liked it, please like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments below if there's anything else you'd like to see next. There's many different keychains you can make with just a fork. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. And as always, I will see you later. Bye.